This is just a short video of how to remove this lamp. Easy to do. At first, remove that panel. For example, with a screwdriver or with your fingers. Remove this plastic. And there you can see two Phillips screws. Use a screwdriver to screw them out. After you got them removed, unclip this part over here and over there. For example, again with your screwdriver. This comes out really easy. Unplug the wires. And in with the new. I want to keep this switch because this part from the scrapyard got this switch installed. And you can see the different part numbers. So this could work in this car, but I'm not sure. This got a tactical switch. This one don't. But this one turns like this, and that one don't, I guess. Maybe it does. I don't know. I removed this switch and put it into this hole just by unclipping and pushing it out. Okay, it's now installed. Let's put it back in there. Plug this wire in and that wire. Screw it back in and we're done. It's installed. Now put the cover on and put this cover on. By the way, I changed it because... oh, now I lost it. Because this switch was broken. Where is it? It's over there. Usually it's inside here with a spring and a copper or metal plate. Don't know. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. No, that's too great Scott again. See you in the next video. The roof is now opened a bit. Ignition is off. If I turn the ignition on now, the roof won't close, but if I hold this, or for example just open it a little bit and close it. Is this really needed? I don't think so. This was a very short video. My English videos are mostly shorter than my German ones. I don't know why. Maybe I'm bad at English and I don't want you to listen what I say wrong. So, just another clip. On my V5 I got the problem that the sunroof, or is it called Moonroof? I don't know. Sometimes opens a little bit. I will show you. Sometimes it opens to this position without turning the knob for it. So I will replace this blue knob with this one. I don't know if it works or if this is not compatible. We will see. Maybe this will fix the issue, or maybe not. If not, the problem could be in the motor for the roof, or in the control unit for the roof motor, or in the comfort control module. I don't know. I will swap this with this switch, and maybe it will happen again, or it won't. It happens every 3 months, so I will see. Works just like in the other car, but the motor sound isn't that nice. Maybe because it's old, or maybe we need a bit of oil or grease. Or we change it if it's broken. I don't know. Maybe it's too cold. Can you install a Seat Leon 5F roof switch inside a Volkswagen Mk4? Yes, you can. It will work, but it won't work properly. As you see, if I open the roof, it opens only to 60%, and I need to hold it like that to open it fully. If I release it, it will snap back and go back to 60%. The close position is somewhere here. This will lift the roof. So it would work, but it isn't clever.